one word that can be used in different situations for different meaning, and that word is get. Let's get some meaning and sentences of it. To obtain, he got gallantry award for his bravery. To receive, did you get my letter yesterday? To buy, hey, get me some fruits and vegetables from the market. To reach, if you keep walking, you'll suddenly get to a bridge. To arrive, I usually get home at 7 p.m. To become, don't get angry. Starting to be, I'm getting late. She's getting old. We're getting hungry. To understand, I never get him on this issue. To fetch or to bring, get me some water. To take, she has to get the bus. I'm gonna make a video on phrasal verb of get. So if you're new in this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.